Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Efren the marketer, and I'm gonna tell you a little secret in this video. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to get rich. It is Sunday. I am filming this today, so it is a live vlog. It was also my birthday on Thursday, so my beautiful wife made me a little get together. The balloons are dying, but before we get going on this video, we do have to do one thing because I haven't driven my car in 3 days, and if I don't drive this car, it will not start because I don't have a trickle charger. This Ferrari has been a headache. So about 6 months ago, I bought this beautiful beast right here, but without knowing that it needs to be charged. And you're wondering, well, I didn't know a Ferrari is electric. Well, it's not electric. What it is, it's a supercar, and there's this thing called a trickle charger. You're supposed to connect a little, it has a little connection right here, and you're supposed to have it plugged in to an outlet. And it was supposed to doing is charging your battery whenever you're not using the car. I don't really use this car as much, so I have to come here every other day to turn it on if I don't use it. Let's turn this on real quick and so we can get this video started. I do have a Jeep that I use, but I've been driving the Ferrari a lot more, knowing that I have to start it up. I usually just start it up for like a minute or two, nothing crazy, or I just drive it around. It is Sunday, so a nice little cruise downtown would definitely help. But today, I'm not making a video about this car. I'm making a video on how do I plan to get rich in the 2023-2024 recession. And yes, I do have a lot of liabilities. And yes, I do invest a lot into our businesses, but something you gotta know is, like Gold Level Print, Gold Level Media, you can only spend so much money in marketing, and there is a such thing as overspending in marketing, and unfortunately I learned that the hard way by losing a lot of money, right? A company, to be able to successfully grow, it has to be between 8 to 10% year to date on growth from last year, right? Anytime your company's growing over 20, 30, 40%, it gets really hectic. So Efren, how do you plan on getting rich? And that's why you guys are here, right? So my plan is this. So in the last couple of months, the stock market has been taking a tremendous hit. There is companies that have been down by 20, 30, 40%. There's some companies that are even down by like 90%. It is crazy out there in the stock market. While people are jumping off the boat, we go in there and we sweep up all these cheap stocks. But not just cheap stocks. What I plan on doing is buying companies that pay out fatty dividends, right? There's a lot of companies that are still doing good, and there's some companies that are paying monthly dividends, quarterly dividends, and those are the ones we're going to be sweeping up. And that's what I'm going to show you guys today on which ones I'm slowly sweeping up. All right, here's the key phrase: slowly. And the reason why I'm saying slowly is because the market is still going down, and it's still going to continue to probably go down all 2023. So we're not just going to go and grab a bunch of chunk of money and just throw it on there and we buy it and then see our money disappear, because obviously that is the wrong move to do. The right move to do is to buy consistently. So far in there, I think I have like $3,000, which ain't much, but I'm gonna show you what I'm buying where you can buy it too. So what I'm trying to do is create more cash flow so I can buy up things that are on sale and continue to buy, right? The only problem with monthly dividend stocks is they're mostly all in real estate, and as we all know, real estate is not the best place to be at right now, right? A lot of people are struggling. I mean, realtors can't sell properties. Realtors have all this inventory that they can't move, and it's just going to continue to happen as interest rates and the housing market even out. All right, turned it on, left it on. Should be good for me to drive tomorrow. Let me pull up my laptop and let me show you what I'm doing. All right, so I'm gonna show you my portfolio real quick. I do have $3,143. Well, that's definitely not a good way to get rich, right? I probably spend more on that on the weekends sometimes, right? All right, so I'm using Ally Financial. I do have multiple accounts. I have one with Charles Schwab's and then I have one with Ally, right? So what I'm trying to do with this specific ally account, I am trying to build my dividends. I do have a margin on here that I use sometimes. Like let's say a stock drops in price, I will buy it with the margin and then I'll deposit it the next day. So on Friday, I bought $700 worth. So probably on Monday or Tuesday, I'll deposit this. So my margin will go back to zero. So you can see here, right? I have $3,904 in market value. My total account is down $83. And today, well, Friday, it was up 30 bucks, which it's all good, right? We know the market is going to continue to tank. We're going to continue to probably see this number drop and drop and drop. The thing that it hasn't factored in yet, though, is my dividends, right? So check this out. EPR, dividend coming up. Upcoming dividend, 28 cents per share. You know, I'll get 50 cents here. ET, energy, stock, their dividends are really fat as well. They're not monthly dividends, but quarterly. This stock is always coming through for me. Key Corp, this is another one. Check this out. 21 cents a share. Got 35 shares of that, right? 3M, I bought some of these. I have 1,000. $1.49 per share, right? So there's just $8 there. So this is the goal, is to build this account specifically, because during the recessions, you got to build your cash flow up. And this is kind of considered as cash flow because I'm getting these dividends every single month. Again, look at that. All the events, upcoming dividends, again, 29 cents, got 59 of those. Oh, I've been slowly buying a lot of these, 25 cents. They pay out monthly. I really like this company as well. Check this out. So over the time from 1994, they've been paying out almost 5% in dividends, right? But they pay it out monthly. So compound interest is what's going to help me cash flow and get more money, right? There's money out there to be made. Money didn't disappear during recession. We just got to find it. And there's different unique ways. So I am slowly buying this. As you can see, it's been in the uptrend since 1994. And it's still going up. Even though it shows long-term, it might fall or overvalued. Hey, it's safe. I've been slowly buying it. And I'll continue to buy it as well. This one right here is the one where I actually been losing a little bit. But again, you look at the max years since 2005, it's kind of always been trending the same. So that's what I'm looking for to building this portfolio here. This is one way of many ways that I plan to cash flow income so I can start buying more assets, buying more stocks, buying more everything. So on my other account, I do also plan on day trading where I buy stock, and if I bought it for 100 and it goes up to 150, I plan on selling it, keeping that $50 margin, bringing it back to this account, and then investing it into a safer stock that pays out dividends. Day trading, as you guys know, you can go up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, right? So I do plan on bringing the profits from that account to here, and that's how I plan on getting rich during 2023. Well, actually, one of my many ideas, which is this one's number one, and then I still do plan on buying real estate and buying a bunch of other stuff. So anyways, let me go back to the camera. All right, so the name of the game is to create cash flow using the stock market with the monthly dividends and still be able to grab the dividends and reinvest it, to use that specific word you always heard growing up, compound interest, right? So that is one way. I do plan on still doing a bunch of other stuff. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget our billboards right there. This is a plug. If you need any printing products, from banners, pop-ups, flyers, business cards, direct mail, any of that, don't forget to visit goldlevelprint.com. Use coupon code YouTube for 15% off, and you'll be saving and helping and growing a huge company. For now, peace out. See you next Sunday.